daylight touched the land, the morning waited still and grand, a silver mist above the shore, while night was fading more and more. Across Koningssteen soft colors grew, from gentle gold to morning blue. The water mirrored every ray as darkness slowly slipped away. Morning mist on Koningssteen, floating through a waking dream, golden light across the sky, while silent water birds pass by. Nature waking with the sun, another peaceful day begun. Nothing here but earth and sky, and morning slowly drifting by. Between the reeds the shadows moved, the quiet water gently soothed. A distant bird began to glide above the calm and open tide. The mist was dancing with the light, a final memory of the night, while every tree and every shore was touched by morning more and more. Morning mist on Koningssteen, floating through a waking dream, golden light across the sky, while silent water birds pass by. Nature waking with the sun, another peaceful day begun. Nothing here but earth and sky, and morning slowly drifting by. No roads, no noise, no hurried sound, just nature breathing all around. The rising sun, the morning air, and peaceful life awakening there. For just a moment time stood still, above the water calm and still, a world untouched beneath the blue, as morning painted every view. Morning mist on Koningssteen, one of nature's quiet scenes, golden sunlight from above, touching everything with love. Water birds beneath the sun, another morning has begun, and through the mist I watch it shine, a perfect moment lost in time. Koningssteen beneath the sky, morning mist is drifting